Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace ball joints on a Ford F150. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a ball joint press, a sturdy jack, and reliable jack stands. Safety is paramount, so properly secure your truck before you begin. Once the vehicle is safely elevated, remove the wheel to gain clear access to the suspension components. Next, carefully disconnect the brake caliper and rotor, then the steering linkage. Now, let's get to removing the old ball joints. Start by loosening and removing the castle nut from the lower ball joint. You'll likely need a ball joint separator or a specialized fork to carefully free the joint from its tapered seat. For the actual removal, a ball joint press is essential. This tool allows you to safely and effectively press out both the upper and lower ball joints from their respective control arms. With the old joints out, it's time for the new ones. Before installation, thoroughly clean the bores and the control arms to ensure a smooth fit. Using your ball joint press, carefully install the new upper ball joint, making sure it's seated correctly. Then, press the new lower ball joint into its position. Once both are in, reconnect the steering linkage, followed by the brake caliper and rotor, ensuring all fasteners are tightened to specification. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your truck back to the ground. It's crucial to torque all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's exact specifications for safety and longevity. Take a moment to perform a thorough visual inspection, checking for proper assembly and adequate clearances. Finally, it's highly recommended to get a professional wheel alignment to ensure optimal handling and tire wear after this repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.